Today I am going to be sharing with you this classic dish that will go well with your next family gathering. Okay, so my family loves for me to prepare this dish that I am sharing with you today. But before we get into it, I want to give you a disclaimer. I am not vegan. I am vegetarian. You will understand why I am telling you this once we get further into the video. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you're going to do is break up 2 pounds of fresh green beans. Whenever I cook, I love to use fresh garlic. Fresh garlic has a totally different taste than the garlic that's in the jar. I know that it can be time consuming to peel and mince garlic, but I feel like it's well worth the flavor that it gives food. So the next step is the reason for my disclaimer. I am about to put my green beans in the pot, and I am going to be cooking my green beans with bacon. I love the flavor that bacon gives the beans. I am not going to eat the bacon. I am just using the bacon to add flavor to this dish. Once my beans are done, I will discard the bacon. While my bacon was cooking, I just sliced up an onion and I am going to be adding that to the pot. Make sure that when you cook that you season each layer of your food. The seasoning that I am going to be using for my onion is salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Once the onion is done cooking, I will add the garlic, and you just want to cook the garlic until it's fragrant. Now I am adding the green beans and the chicken broth. I am adding the chicken broth just until it reaches the top of the green beans. So you just saw me add the butter, and now I am going to be adding the W sauce, a little bit of sugar, and also don't forget to season your green beans as well. Okay, so now it's time for my secret ingredient. Hey, and don't knock it until you try it. My secret ingredient is ketchup. You have to trust me on this one. You're going to add about 1 or 2 tablespoons. You won't be able to tell that the ketchup is even in the beans, and when you do add the ketchup, it just gives the beans a really nice flavor. Every time I make green beans, I always add just a little bit of ketchup to the mixture. 2 things. I just added 2 capfuls of apple cider vinegar, and to give my broth a little bit more flavor, I am adding about a teaspoon of Better Than Bouillon chicken flavor. So I'm done with the green beans, and while my green beans are cooking, I am going to go ahead and start on my potatoes. You are going to let the green beans cook for about 45 minutes. So let's start on these potatoes. I am just removing the peel off of the potatoes, and once I'm done removing the peels, then you're just going to slice up the potatoes and make sure that when you cut them that they are roughly about the same size. And the reason why you want to make sure that they are roughly about the same size is because you want them to cook evenly. I am seasoning the potatoes in a separate bowl. That way I am making sure that I am completely covering the potatoes. Just place the potatoes on top of the green beans. Do not disturb the potatoes when they are cooking. If you move the potatoes before they finish cooking, then you have the potential to wash off the seasonings into the green beans. The goal is to keep the seasonings on the potatoes. Add the potatoes to the beans during the last 25 minutes. Make sure that when you put the potatoes in the pot that you spread the potatoes out on the top of the green beans. Girl, you have to give this recipe a try. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you share and smash that like button on the way out. And that is the end of this video. And until the next video, peace.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. disagree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me